infinite power.
Hi, I'm Christian from Golby's, and we just did some back-to-back testing on our customer's BT50 with our Plazmaman Intercooler. So not only have we picked up more horsepower across the rev range, we've also got boost sooner, obviously, makes the power earlier. Not to mention when the customer tows with this car, the air temps are going to increase significantly and be much cooler with the Plazmaman versus the standard. So results when towing will be much greater than even what we saw on the Dyno.
Infinite power.